Hey guys, I'm just going to show you how to get cool ringtones on your iPhone from a website. You open up your web browser, mine's Google Chrome. You type in a website called zedge.net. It's just there, the first one. That'll load. You just have to quickly register to be able to do that, but luckily I'm already done. Then download right here, Ringtones just here, and then there are loads of different choices you can choose from here, like all categories there. Let me just show you now. This one, for example, you click on this little thing to play them. Just takes a second to load. So if that's cool for you, you click Get Ringtone here, and then import to iTunes there. Start download, and then it's done at the bottom there for me. What I do is I show in folder, then right click on that. Right click on that one when it loads, and then open with iTunes. Then you got yourself got your ringtone on iTunes then. So it should be under ringtones. There it is. As you can see, I've already got quite a few on there, downloaded from that website. And then when you upload your, when you sync your phone, just like here.